Today I'm going to prepare for you some keto spinach quiche with no crust. Let's get started. So this is going to be a keto spinach quiche without the crust. I have 2 tablespoons of butter, and I have melted the butter. Now I'm going to start the pan up again. I'll add the onions and garlic in the pan. Allow the onions to saute for a little bit. I'm going to add a little salt to it, about 1/4 teaspoon salt to the onions and garlic. You want to season your food as you go. That's what a good cook or chef does. So get used to doing that and get used to tasting your food to determine whether or not it has enough salt or black pepper in your food. Add a little black pepper. Ooh, it smells so good in here. The onions and garlic just smell so good. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in the spinach. I'm adding in the spinach. Seems like it's a lot, but it will fit in this pan. It will like a lot, but it will fit in this pan. Again, I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt to the top of the greens, the spinach. Let it cook down a little bit, and I flip it over. What I'm doing now is just to cook the spinach long enough to remove some of the moisture that's in the spinach, so that when I make the quiche, it's not all watery. So if you're going to use frozen spinach, let it unthaw and then squeeze the water out of the frozen spinach so that you won't have a lot of water in your quiche. In my quiche, I always like to add a little nutmeg and in my quiche. It makes it taste really delicious. Most people are wondering, what is that taste? But that's what that is. It gives a great flavor to the quiche. You just flip it over. Yeah, everything is just cooking down. That's what you want. The peppers, your onions and garlic. I'm going to add a little pepper to the spinach. Okay. And that was just a pinch of pepper, not very much. Okay, I'm going to add the 1/2 lemon to the pan here. Okay. And I'm going to cut it off right now because it's going to continue to cook in the oven. So let me turn it off. What I'm going to do now is allow for the spinach and onions and garlic to cool off before you start adding your eggs to the pan, okay? Because, I mean, even though the egg's going to be cooked, it's better to add everything a little bit later when everything cools down. I added the cheese to the top. So what you want to do is allow for everything to cool off, and then you add your eggs and mix everything together. I just noticed I just tasted the spinach and I had to add a little more salt to it. Just about a pinch or two of salt, not that much. And that's what I want you to do, is start tasting your food before you add the eggs, just to determine whether or not you have enough salt. And at this point, this is when you want to go ahead and add some more salt or pepper or both. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the 6 eggs to it. Okay, now you have your eggs in there. Now you want to go ahead and add a little salt to each one of the eggs. And I'm just doing like a pinch of salt, sea salt on each one of the eggs. Okay, like I said, you want to salt as you go along. Okay, now I'm going to mix it up. You can mix your eggs in a bowl if you like, but I just look at it like this. Why mess up another pan when you can mix it in this pan? I'm gonna add a pinch of pepper flakes in mine. You don't have to add it to yours if you don't like the taste of pepper flakes. And just a pinch of oregano. And that's it. It's ready to go in the oven. Preheat the oven at 350 degrees and allow for the quiche to cook for 30 minutes. And you can eat this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I mean, it's very easy to make and it tastes delicious. I just took it out of the oven. It was only in there for 30 minutes and it looks gorgeous. Smells delicious. If you like this video, this recipe, like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to comment on my page below the video. Just click on comment and tell me what you think of this recipe. Have a wonderful day.